upperclassmen are excused, but all other students, please report to the auditorium for an all-school assembly.
Who do you think would have the ugliest baby?
Bert the Turtle and Teddy Urine.
What about Lily Bainbridge and that Maddie guy?
That's so gross.
My parents don't like it very much. My son's wild.
Shh. Where are all the teachers?
Settle down, students. Settle down. We have a special treat today designed to entertain and delight. Please allow me to introduce the one and only Pennywise the Dancing Clown. Hiya, kiddos!
When I close my eyes and I dream of you, I see your pretty faces and I taste them too. But oh my, how I wish to cry every time